Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's tutorial is about painting a beautiful moonlit night. We have a tree in the foreground. This painting is inspired by this photograph that Shannon, who is someone I follow on Instagram, took. If you are on Instagram, please feel free to follow me. The tag is the same as our name at Ufra by Smriti. I really loved the picture, the moon, the way the pine leaves were showing in the moonlight, and the perspective from where the picture was shot. And that inspired me to make this. So first of all, we go ahead and prep our paper. You're free to draw an outline. Once you're done with that, wet the paper. Make sure that you have sufficient amount of water on your paper so that your watercolors can flow in freely, and then you start applying shades of gray and black mix. I will not recommend you to apply black directly, even though you can. If you're a beginner especially, there's absolutely no problem in working with black straight up from the tray. But if you want to add more gradient, feel free to mix black with gray and then add it, or feel free to mix it a little bit with yellow. Once I have done a layer of black and I have dried it, I am adding shades of yellow and orange mix, and I'm also it's more concentrated in the center, and then I'm also taking that yellow and orange mix a little bit outside of the center so that it gives an impression that the light of the moon is coming through. And I also was not quite satisfied with the darkness of the black, so I went ahead, I waited for the layer to dry, and then I went ahead and added another layer of black to make it even more dark. So here you can keep on adding more layers and it will create more depth, but since it's just black and yellow that we are working with, I don't think that you will need too many layers. Like, I don't think more than 3 are sufficient, but again, you can keep on adding the color until you get the desired shades according to your own satisfaction or your own liking. I actually forgot to record the part when I was doing the trees, so we have like a very quick succession of shots. I will be more careful in future about recording all the portions, but here again it's a fairly simple structure. I just used a thin brush to draw out the branches and the leaves of the trees according a little bit of them falling in front, which we call as the foreground. In front, for shadows, you can use a mix of browns and oranges, yellows combined with some gray or black to create those brownish shadow line for the pine. Well, so that was the tutorial. I hope that you are able to recreate this for yourself, and let us know in comments what would you like to learn next. Up until then, take care, have fun, keep painting. Bye bye.